हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज रोशन। मैं अपना क्रिएटिव ज्ञान चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कोडिंग एंड डिकोडिंग। सो व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ कोडिंग एंड डिकोडिंग? कोडिंग और डिकोडिंग इट हेल्प्स आवर स्टूडेंट्स टू डेवलप देयर ब्रेन। अगर कोडिंग डिकोडिंग हमारे स्टूडेंट जितना ज्यादा सॉल्व करेंगे उतना उनका ज्यादा ब्रेन डेवलप होगा एंड इट ऑल्सो इम्प्रूव देयर कंसंट्रेशन लेवल। सो आइए हम कुछ कोडिंग और डिकोडिंग का क्वेश्चन हम सॉल्व करते हैं और मेरे सारे क्वेश्चंस को सारे स्टूडेंट सॉल्व करेंगे। एंड अगर हमारे सारे क्वेश्चन अच्छा लगा तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। सो आइए देखते हैं हमारा कोडिंग एंड डिकोडिंग का कुछ क्वेश्चंस। Okay, so now let us try to solve the first question of coding. So here we have seen right side arrow is 1, left side arrow is 2, upper side arrow is 3, down side arrow is 4, horizontal with both side arrow is 5, vertical line with both side arrow is 6, right chord arrow is 7 and left chord arrow is 8. So now let us try to solve the first bit A. So what is the value of this arrow? It's 1. Next, what is this? This is 3. And what is the value of this horizontal line with both side arrow? It's 5. So what is the value? 1 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now come to bit B. What is the value of this right side curved arrow? It's 7 plus 4. What is the value of this? 4. And the next is it's 6. 7 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to it's 17. Now come to bit C. It's subtraction. What is the value of this vertical line with both side arrow? It's 6 minus 3 is equal to it's 3. Now come to bit D. What is the value of this arrow? Look at this. Look at the code carefully. It's 7. Sorry, it's 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Now come to bit E. What is the value of this? This is 7 into, what is the value of this? Here it is, it's 2 is equal to 14. Now come to bit F. What is the value of this arrow? 3 into, what is the value of this arrow? It's 1 into, it's 2 into, it's 8. What is the value of 3 into 1 into 2 into 8? It's nothing but 48. So next come to bit G. So what is the value of this arrow, this curved arrow? It's 8 divided by, this is 4. 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Next come to bit H. What is the value of this vertical arrow with both sides? 6 divided by, it's 1. 6 divided by 1 is equal to, it's 6. Now bit I, bit J and bit K. It's homework for you. I will give the answer and you will check. The answer of bit I is 720. Bit J is 2 and bit K. Next, bit B. What is the value of this elephant? Elephant is 6 minus this gorilla is 0. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Next, what is this? What is the value of this animal? This is 2 into 5 is equal to 10. Now, what is the value of the gorilla? It's 0 divided by, it's 4. What is the value of 0 by 4? It's 0. So now the next question. Some alphabets are coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 15. Here A is 1, E is 2 like this. So what is the first number? It's 4. 4 is H. So here H. And 1 is A and 10 is S. So first answer is has, as I have already written here. First is HAS, has. Now come to the second number. It's 3, 8 and 9. What is the 3, 8, 9? It's 3 is F, 8 is O and 9 is R. So F, O, R. The bit. This is F, O, R 4. Now come to this. What is this? This is 1. 1 is A, 9 is R, and 2 is E. A-R-E-R. This is also a sight words. Remember, all the numbers are, all the letters are 1 1 sight words. So come to next number. It's 14. 14 is W. Its 5 is I, 11 is T, and 4 is H. W-I-T-H. It's with. Here I have already written. Next, 1 is A, 11 is T, A-T, at. Next, 14 is W, 4 is H, 8 is O, and 6 is M. W-H-O-M, hum. Like this, all these 5 numbers you have to complete, and the answers are is, is, O-N, on, it's F-O-R-M, form, it's W-A-Y, way, and this every, E-V-E-R-Y, every. Try to solve. I have already given all the answers. Okay. So here all the numbers are 1 1 technology words. Look at all the code carefully. It's 1 2 3 4 up to 26, and the letters are A to Z. So 5, 13, 1, 9, and 12. 5 is E. Then it's 13 is M. 13 is M. 1 is A. 9 is I, and 12 is L. What is this? Email. Email is a technology word. Next, 9 is I, 14 is N, it's 20 is T, then 5 is E, 18 is R. What is 18? Here is 18, 14 is N, then 5 is E, and 20 is T. Internet. I have already mentioned here, it's internet. Next, 22 is V, then 9 is I, 18 is R, 21 is, what is 21? It's U, and 19 is S. Virus. It's also a technology words. Like this, you have to solve all this rest code, and I have already given this answer. One is keyboard, next is binary, next is byte, then cable, then download, icon, and pixel. All are 1 1 technology words. So one more number of technology words for you. Here, like the same, 1 to 26 is coded as A to Z, and 3, 15, 4, 9, 14, 7 is C, O, D, I, N, 14 is N, and 7 is it's G. Like this, you have to solve all the rest numbers, which is, but the answers are memory, screen, disk, it's copy, cut, save, and mouse. You have to solve it on your own. Next question, decode the words. What is 1? 1 is here A, 8 is N, 3 is D. It's A and D, and. Next, 2, 4. 2B, 4E, BE, B. 7, 8. It's I and N. I and in. Then 7, 11. It's I and T. IT, it. 9, 5. It's O and F. O, F, O. 11, 6, 1, 11. It's T, H. 1 is A and T. That. T-H-A-T. That. Like this, all these three are, it's 11, 6, 4 is D, 11, 9 is 2, and 6, 9, 12 is H-O-W, how. Okay, here in this number, some dice are there, and it is coded as A, D, E, F, H, I, L, M, like this, up to N, O, R, S, T, U, W, Y. So students, look at all the pictures carefully. Here only 1 dot, and here is also 3 dot. but like this. And also here is also 3 dots, but the pictures are different. So you have to look all the dots carefully. Then you have to decode. So first look at this. Here is 3 dots, but there are so many 3 dots are there. But what is this? This is F. So here it's F. And what is this? This is R. What is this? This is I. And what is this? This is D. And single dot is A and it's Y. So what you have to decode this? Friday. Friday. Here all the letters are one day of the week. It's Friday. Like this. Come to second question. It's, look at this dots carefully. It's T. T. It's U. Then it's E. It's S. D. A. Y and Y. It's Tuesday. Now come to the next question. It's S. It's U. Come here, it's U. Then N. It's N. Then it's D-A-Y. Sunday. Like this. This is M-O-N-D-Y. Monday, Wednesday, Saturday and Thursday. You have to look all the dots carefully and also look at the questions code carefully, and then you have to decode. Listen students, when you have to solve one coding question, first look at all the pictures carefully, then you have to decode. Okay students, now come to the next question. Look at this picture carefully. Here all the pictures are seen as same. यहाँ होता क्या है ना, देखो सारा पिक्चर एक जैसा हमें लगता है। तो जब हमें एक जैसा लगता है और हम लोग कोडिंग डिकोडिंग करते हैं तो हमारे स्टूडेंट सबका कंसंट्रेशन लेवल इंप्रूव होता है। जब हम इस सारे 26 पिक्चर्स को देखेंगे A to Z और यहाँ देखेंगे तो हमें एक जैसा लगेगा। So when we have trying to solve, we develop our concentration skill and it improves our brain, development of our brain. So now look at the first questions. Look at this. This is F. Look at here. All you have when you solve this type of coding decoding, you have to look all the pictures carefully and more concentratedly. So it's F. Then this two pictures is E and E. So it is F E E. Free. I have already written here. Then the next question. It's also F and it's I and it's E. F I E. Next. Same. This is F. What is this? This is O. And next is E. F O E. 4. Next. F. It's U and M. F U M. Next it's I. Likewise it's S-M-E-L-L. Smell. T-H-E. The. B-L-O-O-D. Blood. O-F-F. A-N-N. And it's Englishman. Okay. So you have to look all the questions carefully and decode it. Then the next question, it is a sentence. One sentence is here. You have to decode the sentence. So look at the first picture carefully. It's K. Look at where is K? Here is K. Next, it's N. N. It's O. Then it's W. It's L. Then it's E. Where is E? Here it is E. Then it's D. Then it's G and E. So what is the words? It's knowledge. Like next ice cream is I and the sun is S. Knowledge. I-S-H. Knowledge is. Like this, if you have to solve this, the entire sentence is knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. ओके देखो यहाँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में कुछ स्टिक्स जैसा बनाया हुआ है और सेम जैसे कि मैंने ऑलरेडी बताया है कि सारे पिक्चर्स एक एक जैसे लगेंगे. सो यू हैव टू डिकोड ऑल द वर्ड्स एंड रिमेंबर दिस इज ऑल्सो ए सेंटेंस. व्हाट इज दिस इज टी. It's H and it's E. T-H-E, the. This is O. O and it's L and it's D. Next, it's H, O, it's U, S and it's E. House, the old house. So if you have to decode all the words, the entire sentence is the old house on the hill is the place that holds all the secrets. Okay, the old house on the hill is the place that holds all the secrets. If you have any secrets, then comment me. ओके सो मैंने अपने अभी जितना भी क्वेश्चंस बताया आपको कैसा लगा आप जरूर बताइएगा. और ये रहा कोडिंग का. मैंने अभी 10 क्वेश्चंस दिया था. हम अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कोडिंग का और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लेके आएंगे. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय एंड थैंक यू.